5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are profit again without losing any money. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to Mafia Trader. In this video, I will trade again with my simple secret strategy. The strategy is the 7 levels. If you don't know how to use this strategy, you have to stop watching this video. Go to my first video on this channel and then you can go back to this video. In this video, I will give you tips for beginners how to trade without losing your money. These tips will be very useful for you because every time you trade, you will never experience a lose. This strategy is called the martingale. This strategy is very high risk, so make sure you do it carefully. But if you succeed, you will never lose any of your trades. There are several conditions if you want to use this strategy. The first is that you must have a trading strategy that has at least 40% probability. Second, you must have a large balance. Here I have $20,000 and you can only trade 0.25% of your total balance. You can also use 1% of your total balance, but I prefer 0.25% of your total balance. Third, you must choose a market with payout at least greater than 80% like this. Don't ever trade if the market is less than 80%. I don't recommend you to trading on the OTC market, but if you want it, it is no problem at all, because it is the same. We can analyze all markets that use candlestick as a chart. Okay, after choosing a market, we can add an indicator, moving average, and MACD. Go to moving average setting and change the period to 7 and choose red and 2px. Okay, before we are going to the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video because I'm sure this video will be useful for you to make a lot of money. After you subscribe, don't skip this video because at the end of the video, I will explain how to use this strategy with a smaller balance. Okay? This is CAD GPE OTC, so I think this is a good trend. This is a downtrend. Maybe we can put option in the next candle. So we can wait. Okay, here 7 seconds again. Maybe we can put option in the next candle. Okay, we wait for the candle is going up. In here, the price immediately drops. Let's see other market. We can call option here. No, the MACD is bad. Let's see on this market again. Okay, we can make put option in this situation. We can analyze this moment. As you can see, all this candle here is below the red line. So this is a downtrend. When the candles closest to the red line like this is not close, but this is okay because we use martingale, so we can make put option. But if this trade lose, we can double it 2.5. So I trade for the next trade $150. We can make put option in the next candle here. Okay, here. Yep, the reason is still same. As we know, this trend is a downtrend, so the price is going down. We can make put option if the candles closest to the red line like this. We can see the price is going down, so we can make a profit in this trade. And the loose trade will be recover. Five seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profit for our second trade. Okay, we can put option again in this candle. Oh no, I forget to return the amount to $50. You guys shouldn't be like this. Make sure after you have successfully recovered the loss, return the amount to 0.25% of your total balance. Here, I have $20,000, so I have to return it to $50. The analysis is still the same. All these candles is below the red line, so this is a downtrend. When the candles closer to the red line like this, we can make put option because the price is going down. Okay, here it seems there's a chance to lose. Don't forget to prepare the amount for martingale, which is 2.5 times the amount of the previous trade. Okay, we are profit here, so returns the amount to $50. 0.25% of your total balance. Okay, let's find another moment. This is a reversal trend. Let's see another market. This is a uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is a sideways. Okay, here this is a uptrend. We can make call option. Let's analyze this moment. As you can see, all of these candles is above the red line, so this is an uptrend. We can make call option if the candles closest to the red line. Okay, this is very simple. Let's see our trade. So if you always profit, you have to make sure the amount is 0.25% of your total balance. Oh no guys, I just realized I trade for 2 minutes. So this is 2 minutes. You have to choose 1 minute if you want to use my strategy. So this is a mistake. If you trade on currency like this, you have to check is there 1 minute or no. So this is 2 minutes. We can close this market because we trade only in 1 minute. Let's see, this is 2 minutes. We can close this market. Let's see, this is 2 minutes. We can close this market. That's why mostly I trade in OTC market, because at all OTC market we can trade for just 1 minute. Okay, because this trade was a mistake. While waiting, let's find a good market. This is an uptrend. We can make call option on this trend. Okay, we can go back to our trade here. Let's see. There's a chance to lose here. We have to prepare an amount that is 2.5 times the previous trade. We supposed to be win on this trade if I trade for 1 minute, because even this is a red candle, we still can make a profit because the close price is above our entry. I think this is a reverse candle, so maybe in the next trade we can make put option. I hope the close price is below the red line here, so we can make put option in the next candle. If the close price is above the red line, there's a chance the price is still going up. But we can see there's a shadow here, long shadow, so maybe we can look for another market. Let's see, this is a downtrend. We can make put option because the price is going down, but the MACD is not say that. This is an uptrend, but the MACD is a downtrend. So there's a chance the price is going down. We can see another market. Okay, this is a reversal trend. This is maybe reversal trend. Let's see, we can add another market so we can have a good moment. Okay, here we can make put option in this candle. Okay, we can analyze this moment. As you can see, this is an uptrend, but we can see there is a crossover here. The candles is below the red line, so maybe this is a downtrend. That's why I made put option, but I think this is a sideways too, so there is a chance to lose, but I believe the price will go down. Okay, here, let's see. If this trade lose, that's okay, because we have a big balance. We can use martingale, so we can double it the amount 2.5 times. I will trade for $300 for our next trade to recover our lose. This is a bad market, so let's find another market. We have to find a good trend, so the probability of profit will be greater. Let's see. This is a downtrend. We can make put option here. Yep, you can see all of this candle is under the red line, so this is a downtrend. When the candles close to the red line like this, we can make put option because the price will going down. Okay, looks like the price will going up. I think this candles is a reverse candles. That's why you have to see MACD, because clear the MACD is not support to put option. We can use martingale again 2.5 times of the previous trade. Here I will trade for 750. We can trade, wait, what? Oh no, we trade for 2 minutes again. You have to make sure you choose 1 minute here. Okay, to recover our lose, let's find another moment with a good moment. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is sideways. This is a resistance levels. If you use this strategy, you have to check every market. Okay, seems like this chart is loose again, so we have to do martingale. I think this is a reverse trend. The price is strong going up. I will call option in the next candle here. Let's analyze this moment. Okay, let's see here. As we know, this is a downtrend. There is a crossover here in the green candle. Let's zoom this situation. In the green candle, the close price is above the red line, and the average price and the MACD is upwards, so I think there is a chance the price will going up. Let's see this moment. It will be better if you wait when the candle closes to the red line. It will be better if you wait when the candle closes to the red line. Okay, here we can see the MACD is positive. Okay, we are profit and our loss is recovered. Let's return the amount to before. Don't forget, because if you forget, you will suffer. Okay, so this is a reversal trend. I think this is a start for uptrend, but you have to be careful because here there is a resistance levels. You can draw here. This is a resistance level. There's a chance the price will bounce down. Okay, let's find a moment. I will open trade once again. I think this is good. Make sure you trade for 1 minute. We can open trade in the next candle. When the candles closest to the red line. Okay, we can wait. Okay, here we can analyze this moment. As you can see, all of these candles is above the red line, so this is an uptrend. But here the close price is below the red line, so I think this is a reversal trend. We can make put option when the candles close to the red line here. I believe the price will going down. We can see on MACD, but we have to prepare for martingale. Always prepare for martingale, okay? Let's see our trade. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are profit again without losing any money. Okay guys, I think this is enough, and we made a profit almost $500. This is a good strategy for you as a beginner if you don't want to losing money. We can see on our history trade, we trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And even though we lose 4 times and have a 50% probability, the end result is still a profit, almost $500. So, if you want to use this martingale strategy but you only have a small balance, to use this strategy you must have at least $400. So you can start trading 0.25% of the total balance, which is $1. This is the calculation. Every time you lose, the next trade amount will be multiplied by 2.5 of the previous trade amount. If you feel $1 is a small thing, then you should increase your balance because large capital will get a big profit. If you use this strategy, you will have 7 opportunities, but you will lose everything if you lose 7 times in a row. So make sure you have a good strategy. You can use the 7 levels and you can follow the trend. Don't be a stupid trader trading without strategy. Okay, that's all for this video. There are other things that will make you profitable if you use the 7 level strategy, but I only share for the VIP club member. If you want to join, you can check on the description box below. If you want to ask anything, you can comment in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.